Hello everybody, welcome back. It's your boy Mr. Green Hands. It's Sunday and I'm out in the allotment. I just want to give you guys a quick tip how to actually secure some of your plants and using this item, or should I say organic matter, to protect your plants as well as add benefit to the plant while it's growing. The item that I'm about to discuss with you, and we all use it, whether you're making your breakfast, whether you're making cakes, and that is eggs. The eggshells themselves has a substantial amount of calcium. Yes, calcium is good from us. It helps with the bone density, strengthens up the bones in our body. But with the shells themselves, you can add that to your plants, whether you have them growing small, and with that, it can increase the health of the plant. Sometimes we actually don't know that. Looking around in our house, there are things that we can use to help our garden. But instead of we throw them in the bin, this is one way you can actually help your garden to develop a fantastic growing method that you can help your plants to grow big and strong. And I'm just going to show you how I use eggshells in my garden. And maybe you want to take some note of this, but maybe try it yourself and find out if it does any wonders for you. I'm just going to give you two, no more than two. Let me show you guys. This way method of using eggshells is to crush them up really fine so they can basically become like dust. And then you can place this around the roots of your plant and just blend it into the soil later on. Because it's so small, it will dissolve into the soil and go into the roots where the calcium is needed to make the plants stronger. I'm just going to show you how I use this to help my tomato plants, and I might even add a little extra tip or why I use it, not just for the health of the plant, but to help with preventing a situation that can happen later on when you are growing your tomatoes. The other one that I wanted to show you is just keeping them a little bit more rough like this, and that is used around the plant to prevent slugs from actually eating, because it has very sharp edges. Slugs don't like them. You might have to put quite a heavy amount of eggshells, but obviously eggs, we use them every day. Most of us use them around the world every day. So why not save the eggshells and add it? This calcium carbonate actually adds more value to your garden than we realize. So why not use it to help your garden to become great and fruitful? This is my beautiful, amazing tomato plant that I've been pruning to kind of like get it to be focused on the flowering. As you guys can see right there, I have a beautiful blossom. I forgot what the variety of tomatoes this is, and it's looking amazing. It's starting to come up, and why not make it, because I've been adding a few calcium with the eggshells that I've been grinding up at home, and while I'm watering, I put a bit of eggshells in there and it's watering, and I've been adding it to the roots, around the roots should I say, just like I'm about to show you. Just like that. Add it around there to help the plant become strong. The reason as well, this one other reason that I said I was going to give you a plus, is to actually prevent blossom end rot. The calcium helps the fruiting area to minimize the possibility of that, and that is what we're trying to achieve while we're growing our plants in our garden, is learning what things that we can use naturally to help our fruit and vegetables to grow healthy and strong and having delicious meal. So that's one aspect of it. The other one, as I said earlier, with the sharpness with the eggshells, which are like here, is to prevent those pesky little slugs from making their way. So I want to cover this quite densely around the base just to prevent it from eating or coming over here to consume the things that I am trying to grow. And that is a simple method. It doesn't take a lot of it, because we always have eggshells available in our garden. Let me just pluck some of these from around the roots. You know, there's weeds. I'm trying to minimize them from taking all the nourishment that I'm adding to my plants, so my plant can focus on its growth. And yeah, when you're having your eggshells, make sure you dry them, because the dryness or the drying process helps it to break down faster. It's so amazing, and trust me, using eggshells is amazing. That is me, Rambo Green Hands, here to give you a few quick tips so you can go out there and grow your own vegetables and have healthy eating and healthy living. Thank you very much. This is your boy Mr. Green Hands, and join us next time on another video or just come back and see me, because I'm pretty amazing. See you guys next time, and please do not forget to take care of the planet, because we just have to.